Hey guys, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm gonna be doing a video show you my DVD unboxing of 16 Candles 40th Anniversary and May the 4th specials. Yep, I got the set. Dollar General for our prices $5. That was last Saturday, and at the top it says Flashback Edition. And this stars Molly Ringwald as Samantha and Anthony Michael Hall as the geek. On there, as you can see, it says, "It's the time of your life that may last a lifetime." Good movie, don't you? So anyways, here's the front, here's the spine, and of course the back. It says Flashback Edition. It includes all new bonus features. Bonus features which includes celebrating 16 candles. It says bonus features not rated, not all subtitled. And this film came out 40 years ago. On this day, Friday, May the 4th, came out in theaters at that time. Rated PG. It says copyright 1984, Universal Studios, all rights reserved. Disc made in Mexico. It says www.universalstudioshomentertainment.com. And it's 1 hour 33 minutes running time. And the film was released by Universal Pictures and Universal Studios Home Entertainment. This is www.copyprotected.com. This is DVD video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing right now. So here goes. This is gonna get sticky. Okay, so here's the front once again, the spine once again, and of course the back once again. We can open this up. Here's the disc for the feature-length film. And nope, sorry, there is no inserts on this DVD case. Okay guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let me know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye, and have a happy May the 4th, and happy 40th anniversary, 16 Candles.